Welcome to Invictus Motors. My name is Bashir. I'm here with Leo Edward. He's the owner of OnlyAirSoft Replica Firearm. We've got kids in here.
Kids, this is a men's game. Surrounded by Porsches, playing with. I don't want to say the word.
Just the battery that comes with it.
Guns on a rifle were brilliant. Really good.
Good fun, aren't they?
OnlyAirSoft Replica Firearm. If you need it, they've got it. He's purchased this Porsche Panamera from us yesterday. We couldn't do the film yesterday because he was in a bit of a rush and all the paperwork took a bit of a while. He purchased this beautiful Audi S5 from us, and to be honest, I would like to just get into letting Leo talk about his general experience, why he's bought the Porsche Panamera, why he went from the S5.
Hi there, so my name's Edward. I previously owned the Audi S5, which I've had for a couple of years now. I bought the Audi because I enjoy performance cars, but I thought it was a bit time that I stepped up to something a bit more prestige. The Porsche Panamera was a car that I decided to purchase because I like the four-door, I like the performance of it, and also like the badge. I've had the car for a day now, and to be honest, I'm very, very happy with it. The performance is what I need it to be. The fuel economy is very good, even though it is a sort of 4-litre V8. And it makes me smile every time I get in it. So my thanks to Bashir, because he's been an absolutely fantastic salesperson with us. The company here at Invictus Motors has been phenomenal. It's I buy a car probably about every 18 months, and this has been the best service I've ever had. So thank you, Bashir, for helping me out. I can't recommend this company high enough. If anyone wants to come down, give it a try. There's a fantastic array of cars around here. Look them on the internet, Victor Motors. That's all I've got to say about it, really. It's fantastic.